Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel your Duolingo Premium. So if you decided you wanted to cancel your Duolingo Premium and you just want to quit already and you've learned enough, and this is the guide on how to cancel your Duolingo Premium. So I want you to just go here in your search bar and search for a subscription in your iOS devices. So you can do the same with your actual other devices. If you're using Android, you just want to go to your subscriptions or your payment methods basically, and you can check it out there. But if you're using iOS, it's way easier right here. So select your Duolingo right here and cancel your own premium right here. So confirm it and then it will cancel. So there you go guys. If you have a subscription and you want to cancel it, you just have to cancel it in your settings basically, and then it will still continue the premium until the end date that you have paid for. And it's just that simple to cancel your Duolingo Premium.